special with him because he's known as the Rubik's Cube Phenom. How many of you guys know what a Rubik's Cube is? Yes, okay, good. I'm glad not everyone just plays video games. You know what a Rubik's Cube is. So Brian plays soccer. He does jiu-jitsu. He makes documentaries. He's very busy. And he's also one of the fastest Rubik's Cube solvers in Minnesota, here in the nation. So Brian, congratulations. We have your Outstanding Hype Award for you. Everyone say, call hi, hi. All right, congratulations. So tell us what's, oh yeah, let's do a photo real quick for Facebook. So where do you go to school, Brian?
Stock Middle School in Elk River.
Elk River, okay. How long have you been doing the Rubik's Cube?
2.5 years now.
2.5 years, okay. So can we have a volunteer from the audience? Can you come on up here right there? You young man, you right there, yeah, come on. Oh no, you. All right, can we have a volunteer in the audience? Come on, please. We need you to help us. All right, come on out. We don't need a you. You can just stand right here. You can just come down here. All right, Miss Kajua, we're gonna have you mix this up. They call it scrambling. They want to do what Brian Berg na ni tu kinh they don't trở hiện tới lúc hướng trở hiện này cái này tài lâu này tôi cho tổ tổ đấy nó có á chi lúc lên lia đã sẽ xé nó á chi nè mấy cả hoa tiền Rubik's Cube nữa. All right. All right. Can I scramble some more? All right, let me scramble some more.
Okay, can I have a volunteer to come up and time? Somebody want to come up and time?
Can you go, Kel?
Volunteer?
You come on up here, Steve.
Steve, you're up here.
Okay, is it pretty mixed? All right, Steve. Here, you can just time here, Steve.
You got it?
So, ready? Here. All right, 3. Are you ready? Let us know when you're ready. 3, 2, 1. All right. 16.29 seconds. By the way, that wasn't his fastest time. His fastest time is around 5.what?
5.48 seconds.
5.48 seconds. Now hold up. Brian, I mean, you were using 2 hands, right? Let's see if we can scramble this again. What's your name? Come on up. Will you scramble this real quick?
Yes. Go.
Scramble it really good. All right? Steve, time again.
Okay, scramble it.
Now, do you guys want to see Brian do this with 1 hand? All right. So, sorry, buddy. We got to tie 1 hand behind your back. Well, we'll just do an honor system. You just do this. By the way, when I go to the Hmong New Year, I toss ball with 1 hand too. Yeah. Kajua, you should help him too. Scramble it up really good. All right. Yes. Record this and put it on YouTube. No, I gotta do some more. We gotta make sure it's really scrambled. All right. Okay, is it pretty scrambled? All right, let's time Brian to see if he could do it 1 hand. Let me know when you're ready. He's gotta study it. Pays to do your homework, boys and girls. Pays to do your homework. You gotta study first, right? No study, no A's. No A's, no McDonald's. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes, make some noise. Cheer him on. seconds. That's awesome, Brian. If I had that gift, I'd be like, Mom, I can't do dishes because I don't want to mess up my good fingers, Mom, I ain't washing the toilet. No, I don't need to because I got to keep my fingers to do the Rubik's Cube, right? Congratulations. Thank you very much. Let's give her a round of applause. By the way, where's Brian's mom?
Right here.
This is the mom. Thank you very much for sharing your boy's gift with us. Parents, the whole point of celebrating youth and their accomplishments is that encourage, support, and believe in the dreams of your children because there's so much undiscovered talent out there, okay? So thank you and congratulations.